The bald eagle. Ah! Come on! Come on, Charles.
We have that too.
Oh, yeah? Really? Did you take it on vacation?
Yeah.
You did? Were you videotaping a lot? Yeah? Did you put it on YouTube?
So why are you taping? We're putting it on the internet.
Yeah, of course.
A traveling video.
Cool. Travel with Trevor. Can I travel with you?
Maybe.
Maybe.